Realtors, what if I told you there's so much business sitting in your CRM that you wouldn't even know what to do with it all? Do you know what every single one of your leads and clients' goals are for 2026? If the answer is no, you must do this. Send out a one-question survey to your entire database. And if you want a higher open rate, put some type of ballot to win, something towards charity, something towards the restaurant of their choice, maybe even support one of your professional partners offering a 3-hour clean and giving anybody that fills this one-question survey out the opportunity to win. What are the things that you want to know in the one-question survey? Simply what your clients and what the leads' goals are for 2026. Do you have any intentions of purchasing? Do you have any intentions of selling? Do you know anybody that's interested in purchasing or selling? Do you have any interest in getting into an investment property? Would you like to be notified of any events that we're hosting? These are all great questions that will give you a leg up come January 1st, creating these phone calls and being able to provide intentional value.